Hurricane Irma.
So if you can see right here, you see the gust winds at about 70 miles an hour. And yeah, we're standing outside, but we're all good because we're in a safe location. If you look up, we're in a safe location. I want you to get a shot right there. Now, if you look, I want you to get a shot right here. This is Max.
The white one.
Hurricane Irma.
Alright. If you need anything, give me a holler, give me a holler, give me a holler, give me a holler.
Irma. Yeah? Yeah? No,
So if you can see right here, you see the gust winds at about 70 miles an hour. And yeah, we're standing outside, but we're all good because we're
Irma. Yeah? No.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to take a look right here. If you'll notice, we've been sitting out here for 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes the weather has changed drastically. Jimmy has done it, put the spotlight on me, and
What you made me do, what you just made me do.
Jimmy has done it, put the spotlight on me, and I'm blind and I really can't see. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep.
Cause she's dead. Look what you made me.
Irma.
If you can see right here, you see the gust winds at about. Max, he's the best mascot he's been.
Dun dun dun.
0502. Southwest 137. Hurricane Irma.
I'm gonna be fine.
Confused.
No.
The winds at about 70 miles an hour, alright? The winds at about 70 miles an hour. The winds at about 70 miles an hour. The winds at about 70 miles an hour, alright?
Situation.
Dun dun dun. Thanks.
The weather has changed drastically. We've seen colors. It was all bright now. It's all getting dark and gloomy. And now the rain's coming down. And I told you, like again, what I said earlier, the winds at about 70 miles an hour.
Cause she's dead. Cause she's dead. Cause she's dead.
70 miles an hour, all right? 70 miles an hour. We got trees falling down everywhere. We got Max. Hey, I want you to take a look right here. Max right here. Max, I want you to say hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Yes, this is Max. Maximilian, he would have been ran out. We usually put him on a leash. But you know what? Today, he's not running out because it's dangerous out there. But like I want to tell you one more time, I want to stress this one more time. We are in a safe location. I just point up one more time. Just point up. Yeah. You see, that is the roof right there. We are in a safe location.
Southwest 137.
Safe location.
Cause she's dead. Cause she's dead. Cause she's dead.
I want to give big thank you to the cameraman, Jimmy.
Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do.
Hurricane Irma.
Cause she's dead. She's dead. She's dead.
What are you doing?
I want to give big thank you to the cameraman, Jimmy.
Good for 2 hours.
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do.
2 hours. 2 hours.
made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do.
Thank you to the cameraman Jimmy, because you know he's been great. He's been following me everywhere, and we've been doing a really good job trying to keep you guys notified and pick up the community, because he. Oh, there goes the wind again.
2 hours. 2 hours.
Now we gotta
Made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do.
Now we gotta evacuate. Now we gotta evacuate.
Situation. Hurricane Irma. Hurricane Irma.
Cause she's dead.
Look what you made.
God bless. And God bless.
Cause she's dead.
Oh yeah, has my honor. I'm gonna be